Okay, hello year 4.4. Today I will be away on a meeting, so I'm recording this video for your lesson today. Okay, so please follow this video. Please follow the instruction of this video to complete the task that we are going to finish today. Okay, so all you need to do is go to your Google Classroom and then you come to week 8 right here. Okay, actually today we are going to do a tongue twister challenge. It's right here. So let me tell you what to do with the tongue twister challenge later. Okay, so let's begin our lesson right now. Okay, so our from our last lesson we have learned the initial zhi, chi, shi, zhi. Okay, and today actually we're going to do more practice with these zhi, chi, shi, four sounds, and then we need to compare the difference between zhi, chi, shi, and zi, ci, si today. Okay, so if you can read and distinguish their difference, and also you can do the tongue twister challenge, that means you are very successful today. Okay, so let's begin our lesson. Last lesson we do talk about these four sounds, and these three zi, ci, si, we learned it last week already. Okay, so let's do some more practice with these sounds. Okay, so let's read after me. Okay, the first one, zhi, zhi, roll up your tongue and then say the word zhi, 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 zhi sound. Okay, and the second one, you see it's the similar in the English sound here. It's the ch, ch, ch. CH sound is similar. Okay, ch, ch, ch. Let's read it. Ch, ch, ch. Okay, next one. The SH in English is similar as this one in Chinese. Shi, shi, shi. Okay, and the last one, the R in English, but we said it the r sound. Okay, so I think it shouldn't be so hard for you right now because we do practice a lot with these four last lesson. And then do you still remember last week we talked about these three sounds already? Z, z, z. Okay, the trick to reading this sound here, it's you'll feel that your teeth is shaking. Okay, z, z, z. Okay, and the the sound actually is from between your teeth. Okay, z, 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 z sound. Okay, and the second one, ts, 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 ts. Okay, when you read this one, you will feel that the air is coming between your teeth. Okay, so ts, 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 ts sound. Okay, the third one here is the s, s, s sound. Okay, so now you know how to pronounce all of them. And right now, let's do a little practice. Okay, which one did I say in this charts? Okay, so let's see if you got it correctly. But make sure you remember the rule of this group here. Okay, do you still remember? Zhi, chi, shi, zhi, four of them. When they pair with the E sound here, something very strange will happen because this group here is the whole syllable. That means the E sound is mute. Okay, so that means zhi initial is the same as zhi, this the whole syllable. Chi is the same as chi, shi is the same as shi, and the last one, r, it's the same as the r sound right here. Okay, so make sure you can hear the difference later. Okay, okay, so you can take a piece of paper and then write down the answer that I said. Okay, or you can use your whiteboard. Okay, let's begin. Which one is the pinyin of 这 这 这? Okay, do you hear the initial 这? Okay, so it should be this group here, and with the final is the 这, so it should be the final. So the answer is this one. But which tone is this? 这 is the fourth tone. Okay, so do you got it correctly? 这 like this. 这 Okay, let's do some more practice. Which one is the pinyin of 楚楚楚Do you hear the initial is the ch sound, okay? And then the final is the u final, so it should be this one. 楚 Which tone is that? It's the third tone, okay? So the answer is 楚 like this. Okay, do you got it correctly? Next one. Which one is the pinyin of 诗诗诗 Okay, the answer actually is this one. Because you see, this is the same as the initial itself, 诗, and this is also 诗. Okay, and which tone is that? It's the first tone. Okay, 诗. So the answer should be like this. Okay, first tone. Okay, let's do one more. Which one is the pinyin of 热热热? Okay, the answer actually is this one, the R initial with the final. So it should be the fourth tone, 热 热. Okay, so this is just a little practice for you for our next part. Okay, see, in this part here, I'm going to read 8 pinyin for you, 8 words for you. You need to write down the answer that you hear. Okay, please get your whiteboard ready, and then let's see what score that you can get from this part. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, so in this part, you are going to hear not just the one that we learned from the last lesson, but from 2 weeks ago. Okay, so let's begin. Number 1. Okay, number 1. Okay, which one is the one that I'm talking about? The word is 自己自己自己自己 Okay, the answer is the first one. Okay, because as you can see, z sound should be like this. Okay, and 己 is the second one here. Okay, 自己 Okay, if I was saying the other one like this, I would say the word like this, 自己 Okay, just hear the difference. Okay, but the correct answer is the first one, 自己 Okay, and let's go to exercise number 2 here. It's number 2 is on the right side. Number 2 right here. Please pay attention. What is the pinyin of 30 30 30 30 Okay, I think this one is easier. It should be this one, 30 Okay, if I was saying the other way, this way here, I will say 30 Okay, I need to roll up my tongue in both pinyin here. Okay, but I did not. I say 30 Okay, so it should be this one on the left. Okay, let's continue. Number 3. Okay, number 3, pay attention. Which one is the pinyin of 坐车坐车坐车 Do you hear it? 坐车 Okay, the answer is the left one again. Okay, because 坐 is 知无二坐, and this one 吃车 do you see here? The ch in pinyin we call it the 吃 sound. Okay, you have to roll up your tongue. If I was saying the other one, I would say 坐车 Okay, so it's not this one. It should be 坐车 Okay, do you got it correct? Number 4. Okay, let's have a look on the right side. Number 4. which one that I'm speaking right here? The word, the pinyin is 足球，足球，足球，足球. Okay, the answer is this one on the right. Yes, okay, because you hear that z sound, it should be the one on the left, like this, okay? Z sound, okay? And this one is 之无足足球, it would be 足球 like this, okay? But I said 足球, 足球, hear the difference, okay? Number 5, which one am I talking about? Which one is the pinyin of 这是这是这是 the answer is quite obvious. Is this one, okay, on the right side? Because if I say the other way, it's 这是, okay? Do you see the these two are 这是, okay? But these two, 这是, you need to roll up your tongue, okay? Continue. Number 6. Which one that I'm talking about? Listen carefully. 数字数字数字数字 the answer is this one, 数. Okay, when you hear the word 数, do you hear that I roll up my tongue? 数. And this one, 字, 数字 should be this one on the left, okay? If I was saying this one, I would say 素质. Okay, it's different, okay? Continue. Number 7, which one am I talking about? Listen carefully. 出去出去出去 Which one am I talking about? 出去 the answer is the left one. 出去 do you see that I roll up my tongue to say this pinyin here? 吃无出 Okay, and the second one is 起欲去. Do you remember the yu sound? The dots are gone, right? 起欲去 Okay, if I was saying the other way, it will be 出去出去 it's different. Okay, let's continue. Number 8, the last one. Which one is the pinyin of 44 44 44 Okay, do you hear that I roll up my my tongue on some of the some of the pinyin here? Okay, so the answer is this one on the right side. Yes, 44 okay. If I was saying this other word here, I would say 是 okay. It's different, very different. Okay, so this is a little practice for your listening right now. Okay, if you got I would say if you got higher than 6 points in here, that means you are okay. But I think that everyone should get like a full score in this one if you understand what we learned in this week. Okay, so let's continue of our lesson. Yeah, these are the answer. Okay, so let's continue. The last thing today is you need to do this tongue twister challenge. I can tell you it's quite challenging for the beginners. Okay, take a look on the words on the lower part here first. Okay, I want you to read after me on each words first. Okay, so let's begin. Number 1, the word is this one, 四 四 四 which means 4. Okay, continue. Number 2, 是 the word 是, please roll up your tongue to say the 是 sound. Okay, 是 which means is, mr, is. Okay, and number 3, take a look at the tone here. 十 is the second tone, so you need to rise up to the like a question. Okay, second tone 十. Okay, so it means 10. Okay, continue. Next word, number 4 on the right side. Can you read the pinyin yourself first? 14. Very good. 14. 14 which means 14. 14. The last word here, 40. 40. 40, which means 40. 40. Okay, so now you can practice by yourself with these 5 words because the tongue twister is made of these 5 words. Okay, so let's try to read it very slowly the first time. Okay, let's read it very slowly. 4是4，10是10。14是14。40是40。Okay, so this is the tongue twister. 4 sentences. Okay, it's not that hard when you see it, but I can tell you it's quite hard when you read it. Okay, so right now try to read it one more time, but this time I will be faster in my speed. Okay, let's read it with me. 4是4，10是10，14是14。40是40。Okay, do you got it? Remember the trick, the whole point is you need to pronounce with the correct tone, and also you need to distinguish the sh and the s sound. Okay, so please distinguish by yourself today. Okay, so try to read it very slowly. You can practice as many times as possible. You can pause this video and try to practice it by yourself. Okay, but right now I'm going to read the last time for you. I'm going to read it in a normal speed. Okay, listen carefully. 4是4，10是10，14是14。40是40。Okay, so this is the tongue twister challenge. Good luck on reading this tongue twister. Okay, so the last few minutes, the last 20 minutes or something, you need to practice by yourself with this tongue twister. How do we do it? Very easy. Just go to the Google Classroom, and then you have to watch this video as many times as possible. Okay, in the video, this lady will read the tongue twister many times. Okay, you can practice with this video. After you listen to the video many times and then you follow the tongue twister many times, and when you feel you're confident, you want to challenge, you want to do this tongue twister challenge, what do? Okay, so here I give you this it's called the Vocaroo. This is an online voice recorder. Okay, so let me show you how to use this website. So once you open this website, you'll feel that this is the interface. Very simple. Okay, all you need to do is to click this button in the middle. Okay, for some student, once you click it, sorry, let me refresh this. Okay, for some student, if it's the first time for you to use this website, you will see this little pop-up on the top to let you allow this website. Okay, please click allow on your browser. Okay, click allow your voice record. Okay, so please click allow. Once you click allow, and then you will see something like this, and then you can start already. Okay, you can go back to my slide and then read the tongue twister. 4是4，10是10，14是14，40是40。Okay, so once you finish, please click stop. Okay, so you can listen to your recording one more time. Okay, and then you will see something like this, and then you can. Okay, so this is your own voice. I'm not going to show you. If you think that 老师, can I record like a new one? Can I refresh and record a new one? Yes, you can record as many times as possible. But please choose your best recording. and then click here, save and share. Okay, once you click here, and then you will see this is the link of your audio. Okay, you don't need to download it. All you need to do is this one, copy the link. Okay, so you can click here, copy the link. Once you finish copying the link, please go back to the Google Classroom, week 8. Okay, so this is the week that this week, okay, week 8. And now you need to leave me a class comment. Okay, this is, let me show you like this. Okay, paste. Okay, so please paste the link that you do in the recording. Okay, so please please paste this link. Okay, please give me your best recording in here. Okay, and then you post. Okay, so that's how you finish the tongue twister challenge. I will spend some time listening to your recording, and I will give you some feedback on your tongue twister. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. If you have any problem, or if you want to ask me anything, please also leave me a comment in week 8. Okay, I'll answer your question in week 8. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I will see you guys next lesson. 再见啊，再见。